I made 3 videos of a whole series in this short. You might think, whoa, that's kind of amazing. You have super making abilities or something. Actually, I have a 15-minute restriction on this app unless if I go to Pro, and I'm not on Pro yet, so... What? I already went there in the first episode. Seriously, you guys. You're literally telling me this is an unknown star, and this is an exoplanet? Orbiting not even another of the star's distance from it? No, this is a way smaller orbit than Mercury, guys. And this star is literally just... Oh, the sun's engulfing. So sorry, exoplanet, you're engulfed by the sun. It seems like this one is pretty cool. This it's literally around the size of ours. And this gas planet, let's compare it to Jupiter and Earth. Okay. Let's look at this guy. Oh, compared to our solar system, this gas giant, if it wasn't the solar system, it looks like it would be orbiting somewhere around the asteroid belt. Nice. And this is also a star of an unknown type, but this time it's not visible with the naked eye. Tell me if you should make a beam of me kind of making us appear without me just rotating this. Okay. So, next exoplanet is Wasp 29. Ooh, it's a K-type star? Uncommon. And Wasp 29 be a gas giant named Jupiter Earth system. Compared to our solar system. Okay, at least I don't think it's being eaten. Okay. Seems like Earth is orbiting right at the edge of this star's habitable area. And Venus is around it, where Earth is around the sun. And Mercury's too hot. Just like the sun. The star compared to sun? Ooh. A pretty good majority sized. Back home. Tell me if any of these stars. Tell me what you want. Please don't say you dislike me though. Of course. I love you guys, but I'm gonna take a break for a moment. Don't worry, the video's still running. Just I'm gonna make a little pause section. Boop. I was not meant to go here and record. I'm not hearing you. Bye, 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 bye. Unfortunately, you didn't get to see much. At least it's only 5 minutes long. And we could see a lot more soon, but bye. Meet you in the 4th episode.